Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use SaleKit for your Shopify app store. So the first thing you want to do is just simply click here, add application. Right, then when you're going to do it, you want to click install app. And I'm going to sign in, and I'm going to show you how we can easily use it. So this is a step-by-step guide. First thing first, what we are going to do, we are going to add a sales pop. So we are going to build a customer's trust with recently orders pop-ups. Click that. And here you go. So this is our plan. And now you see that you can simply choose between these applications here. So you can have a sales pop that someone just bought a t-shirt or visitor count or sold count. We can go simply click here, sales pop, add app. And now when you're going to be here, so you can have like import orders automatic from your Shopify orders. So it'll automatically show people what they're ordering, or you can do the manual. And now import orders automatically, auto import 50 most recent orders. And then you would see it right here. So what you can do is have also look back days, like how many days it's going to look on orders. And you can import all the orders, even canceled one, closed. Or you can also sort orders randomly, that's a good thing. And then the last thing you got here are product filters. So you can have like include products or exclude products. So that's pretty much it. Now you can also see when you would come here to the top side, you can have it for mobile too. Then under data are settings. So you can have like message, customers from location bought the product. Or you can also a number of pop-up page, time between each pop-up, duration of pop-up, and delay before the first pop shows. Then you see here styles, and you can simply choose different styles. So that's another thing that you can do. You can hide watermark and change the colors. It's pretty straightforward and pretty easy to understand, right? So this is how we can use that application. Then you see also visitor count here or sold count, or we have like cart countdown. So your card will be abandoned in. This is who is using it. It's called Alza in our country, and they are using it aggressively. So they're like kind of forcing you to actually buy the product and not leave the store, because you would have to like find the product again. And now you can enable notification bar on a cart page, or you can enable alert box on all pages. This is pretty good. And then you can also set countdown time in minutes. So you can go like 7 minutes. If it's a product that people are buying straight away, you can also decrease it. So let's say that a healthcare product, I wouldn't have this. On a healthcare product, I wouldn't have this kind of thing here. Definitely no. But only if I would be selling, let's say, technical stuff or something like that, it could be great. Then we're gonna see the action after time expired. We can clear cart, reset time, or do nothing. So you can even like trick it that it will be like just reset time or do nothing, and it will be only the psychological effect for the people, right? And this is where you can optimize and change the bar settings and also alert board settings right here. And yep, so this is how we do it. Now when we go back to applications, you can have promotion bar. It looks really similar comparing to the cart countdown. Then we're gonna see also the pop-up. That's interesting. So with the pop-up, you can simply choose your pop-up. You can collect email, phone. You can offer discount coupon, subscribe to show discount code, or announcement. So you can collect email. And you can again optimize it whole. So when I have a goals here, under that I have styles. So I can change the background color, where it's going to be the image, then font family, background color, title color, description color. So this is how we do it. It's pretty straightforward and pretty easy. And then we have a behavior here. With the behavior, like when it's going to trigger, after how many seconds, you can repeat pop-up or disable revision. And then we're gonna see the display on page, support multiple pages separate with enter, all page, home page only, exactly URL, only page with the URL, any page expect the following pages. So again, you can really optimize it on which parts you want it, on which parts you don't want it. So this is pretty much it how we do it. Also, you can check it out on mobile. And yeah, when we go further, when you see the applications here, same thing with a sold count or visit count. It's pretty straightforward with promotion bar too. So when I come here and click add application, you can really choose which goal you want. So when I go back again, and I go app, you can have like announcement, show messages to customers, countdown, create urgency for your deals, collect email phone. So I can go with the countdown, and then 40% of all orders for limited time on, bang, 24 hours, right? So this is how we do it, and it's like pretty straightforward and pretty easy. You can also link it and add button label. Then you have styles here. You can simply change the templates, right, based on what kind of style of your store you have. You're gonna see the background color here that you can change. And just changing the colors, right? So, and settings, when it's going to display, when it's going to show, pretty straightforward. Now, when we go even back, we can go here to boost sales. You would see analytics of your engagement, impressions, subscribers, and you would find like subscribers here, and you can easily export it and then just like get it to your MailChimp or ConvertKit, whatever email marketing platform you're using. So yeah, if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.